So I figured I'd talk about the execution frame data on Viper's burn kicks. She has three different types of burn kicks. You have the instant super jump grounded burn kick, instant super jump forward air burn kick, and then you have instant super jump cancel neutral air burn kick. I broke down the minimal frames that have to be achieved for each type of burn kick. This is very important because any move that's cancelable into these, you'll be able to have a lot of flexibility on what you want to achieve. So knowing the minimal frame data will be very important to be able to cancel out of standing heavy kick, standing medium kick, crouching medium kick, whatever, to be able to position yourself and space yourself and really play with the spacing, be more offensive, be more defensive, do cross-ups, etc., etc. So I'll start with instant super jump grounded burn kicks, the same thing for the OD version of it. A tiger knee input with the 9 direction only being done 0 to 2 frames before a kick input is inputted. So if a 9 direction is registered 3 or more, it changes the whole burn kick. It has to be 0 to 2 frames of the 9 direction to achieve it. There are some alternatives that I found. You can do quarter circle forward with no 9 direction and just do an 8 direction being 0 to 2 frames before a kick is inputted. So you can do the same thing, just no 9 direction, as long as it's between 0 to 2 frames of an up and 8 direction and a kick is done before within that window, you'll get a grounded burn kick. A weird alternative that I found too is any up direction that is 0 to 2 frames. So you can even do a 7 direction. Let me show you what I'm talking about so you can, it's kind of weird, but it's like, let me see. Like this here, you can see I'm holding the 9 or the 7 direction, and I'm still getting a grounded burn kick. So as long as I meet that window of 8 up direction is 2 frames or less, you'll get a grounded burn kick. So, if you want to do this alternative way of if it's more, then I don't get any, then I just jump back. Just like that, yeah. Because I'm kind of a weird thing to do. Yeah, but yeah, you get the point. Alright, so for instant super jump forward air burn kicks, so this is just you're jumping out of the air and you quickly want to still have a forward momentum, but you want to have it in the air to achieve cross-ups, for example, then this is the frame data for that. The tiger knee input with 9 or 8, any up direction. So you still have to have at least 1 frame of a 9 direction to be registered. But if you do 1 frame of 9 and then the rest as the 8 direction and it exceeds 3 or more, then it'll register as a forward super jump cancel air burn kick. So yeah, that's the minimum requirements for that. The instant super jump cancel neutral air burn kick and the OD version is just simply a quarter circle forward input done with no frames of 9 direction being inputted. An 8 direction must be inputted 3 or more frames before a kick is done. If you do an 8 direction only with no 9 direction and it is 2 frames or less before a kick is done, you're just going to get a grounded burn kick. That's one of the alternatives. That's what I found here. So if you're misinputting and wondering why you're not getting one or the other, it's because of the parameters of the grounded burn kick is being met, but not the instant for the neutral air. It has to be 3 or more and only the 8 direction. Now, these are some cool things that I found labbing out on canceling. You can do some spacing traps once you really master the timing of this. It should look like this. So that is what the standing medium kick. I had Terry do a standing medium punch, and he was able to do a spacing trap punish counter. You can even do it for lights too. So this is standing light punch beating. Standing light punch being beat by a quickly inputted super jump neutral air burn kick. Anyways, guys, I hope this helps. Take care.